Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to share to you how to use Maxim applications. Kung may gusto kang ipa-deliver or may pa-pick up ka or online seller ka, may pa-deliver kasi yung customer or kung customer ka na may pa-pick up ka na item, so you can definitely use the Maxim applications. This is pinakamura as it started with 10 pesos delivery fee. Mura lang talaga among all the delivery apps in the market today. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para ma-aware ka kung may other vlog regarding Maxim. So as I said kanina, pinakamura talaga ang Maxim, 10 pesos per kilometer. So for 2 kilometers, you will pay only around 20 pesos. So very mura lang talaga, no? Pero normally, walang tatanggap na rider or bihira lang pag 10 pesos lang ang delivery mo. Or maybe pag may tanggap, matagal yung pick up ng booking mo. Kasi they will really look for a bigger delivery fee. So on this vlog, I'm going to share to you on how to avoid that, on how to make your booking more attractive to the riders. Huwag ka namang masyadong kuripot. Kawawa naman yung rider. May gasto pa yan sa pagpagasolina, pang-load, para matawagan ka. Kaya kung pwede naman, dagdagan mo. Bigyan mo ng tip para attractive at saka madaling ma-pick up yung booking mo. Okay, so kung hindi ka pa nakapag-download ng applications, go to Google Play Store, then search Maxim. Not the Maxim driver app, but the Maxim for delivery or for customer na yellow yung logo. Then install it. Then after, go to your phone and look for the yellow Maxim logo. Click to open the app. There are plenty of options in the app depending on your needs. It may be confusing for a while kasi ang Maxim applications were really designed for passenger. But due to pandemic, they convert it to delivery app. They made a major upgrade and modifications in the app para makater yung needs for people in pandemic. So if you notice, dami ng options. You can book with a specific time, date, or in advance, a day before. Just make sure the details of your booking. You can also ask the delivery rider to buy a food or deliver food, goods. Just make sure also to be specific in your instructions on ano yung ipabibili mo. You can choose as well type of vehicle. Like you want to use a car or a truck. If, for example, yung item na ipabili mo is marami o ipa-deliver mo is marami o naka-bulk, hindi kaya ng motorcycle, you can choose the truck or the car vehicle. As I said kanina, pwede ka rin mag-book on a schedule, no? You can specify your date and you can as well book right now. So just be specific, as I said, no? And you can choose your type of vehicles and type of services that you want. So for this vlog, let's focus on motorcycle delivery. Yun ang i-discuss natin sa vlog, kung paano mag-book using motorcycles. Okay, now let's do some actual booking using Maxim applications. So, of course, you have to open the application. So, just specific on the address. Now, you can actually... by the way, please don't forget to turn on your GPS location kasi you can use it for your current location for pickup. But on this case, in my booking, yung pickup location ko is different from my current location. So I have to specific yung address. So you can type, in that case, in my case, na-type ko yung address kaso hindi malolocate. Yan, mukhang mali yata, hindi yung gusto ko. So I type another address, yung Yamaha. Okay, let's see if this time tama ba. Ayan, tinatype. Oh, ayun. So, na-locate. Naka-registered sa map. So, ayan. I have na my pickup locations. You can also specify kung other landmark, no? Let's say at bang or along the way or across. So let's type now my drop off point. So let's search my current address, which is Jarin and Opada Photography. Now madali lang pag registered na sa map yung address mo. Like on my case, let's try kung masi-search ba sa map. Yan. It's actually mukhang hindi mabilis yung internet ko. Okay, so it's there. So I have na my pickup locations and drop-off locations. I will ask the driver to pay on my behalf and go to the drop-off point to give me the receipt, and I give the refund. Okay, so 10 pesos lang, no? With just kasi malapit lang naman, hindi mas malayo, pero mura lang talaga yung 10 pesos, no? So this time, I will give some specific instructions, like I'll ask him to pay on my behalf, my motorcycle monthly bill, to mukhang malaking amount. Let's see kung may magpipick up ba, no? With yung halagang 10 pesos, tapos malaking amount, no? Mahirap din kasi sa rider pag wala silang cash. Ayan. So let's click order, and ina-add ko ng tip, naging 29 pesos na. Yep. Yan ang problema din pag when involves with kung involving yung money, mahirapan kang magkuha ng driver. At in this case, the app is searching for driver. 29 pesos, okay na yun, no? Marami na mag-pick up. Kaso lang, sa instructions ko, they have to pay a certain big amount. Iba ka naman yung mga riders na malapit doon, walang pera or kulang yung pera, kaya ayaw mag-pick up, no? You can also notice on the map na yung may mga rider makikita mo na malapit lang, no? So ayan, let's speed up. You can speed up actually after a few minutes na wala pang pick up, you can speed up. Meaning pag speed up, nag-a-add ka ng tip. So ayan, wala pa rin. So let's see, I'm waiting. Kaya ito lang mahirap pag nag-involve ng money yun. Kasi involving big amount, minsan nagtataka din sila bakit may amount, baka scam yung booking mo. So ayan, nagsisearch ng driver. So wala talaga, no? Kahit nag-speed up pa tayo, kahit nag-add pa tayo ng amount na malaki na. So ayan, let's observe. So after a few minutes, wala pang pick up, so I decided to change the order. So instead of them paying on my behalf, I asked them to pick up the money first, then go to the Yamaha shop, then pay, then go back to me. So here, 42 na yung delivery fee. At saka I got na my driver, si Rowan Eric, no? There's specific yung time kung kailan siya arrive. So ayan, along the way, I give some instructions, chat, because there's an option to chat. So para hindi sila malilito, so I give na nasa didin ako ng Mirasol Street. Then of course, while waiting, go out ka na kasi mahirap nang tatawag pa sila kung saan ka. You can actually locate your driver, no? You can monitor kung saan na sila, no? In this case, ayan, tingnan natin kung saan si Eric. So that's my location. Then nagre-reply si Eric na copy, she got my instructions. So let's wait. So while waiting, I'm ready na. Ayan, you can actually monitor the rider kung saan yung location niya. She's moving, turning around Fuente Osmeña, very near to my place. So ayan na si Eric, papasok na sa lugar namin. Kung notice mo yung black, yun ang destination ko. Ayan, so malapit na, kaya lumalabas ako para hindi na. Ayan, si Eric accepted na my booking and confirming na accept na. So I give the money to Eric. Of course, para maiwasan yung scam, tinitake ako ng pictures sa kanya. Then also the ID, I take pictures of ID para may habol ako in case hindi niya ibabayad yung 2,000 plus ko. Ayan, we will monitor Eric going to my destination to pay on my behalf. Ayan, just make it ato lang i-fast forward na lang para mabilis. Ayan, so you can actually monitor them kung baka minsan iba yung pinupuntahan and give more instructions along the way para yan, Unique Motors binabalik lang ha. Then I give my name, of course hindi natin nire-reveal dito yung complete name natin, baka just subscribe na lang. So ayan, importante yung mga specific instructions along the way para hindi mahirapan yung driver. Mas maganda, lalo na sa sitwasyon nitong binubook ko, mukhang mahirap, hindi ordinary na delivery and pickup. Ayan. So si Eric din nagre-reply along the way, nagre-reply. Okay, now Eric is near to the locations of the Unique Motors Yamaha to pay on my behalf. Ayan, I reminded him again not to forget the receipt of the payment. Dali lang, malaking tulong to para sa atin na ayaw nating lumalabas o mahirap tayong mag-transport or mahirap yung transportation, kaya malaking tulong ka talaga, of course, importante yung along the way nagmo-monitor ka sa booking mo or you give instructions. Importante kasi para yung driver madali lang. Imagine 42 pesos lang, worth it na naman, Okay, so fast forward, balik na si Eric sa my location to give me the receipt. Yan, let's fast forward lang. You can actually monitor them, Yan yung magaganda sa Maxim kasi mamonitor mo kung saan yung rider. Just make sure to turn on your GPS. Yan, so as I said kanina, pag malapit na yung rider, labas ka na. Kasi yung common problem ng mga riders na kinu-complain, yung matagal lumabas yung kliyente nila. It take them time. So, ayan, successful yung booking. Okay, successful yung booking for only 42 pesos. No, I don't need to go to the shop na mukhang risky kasi it involves money. So, the secret lang is make sure you take pictures of the ID, you take pictures of the rider without wearing mask para may habol ka kung isumbong, Take pictures of your driver's license para you can assure that legitimate yung rider kasi mayroon ding mga case ng nasa-scam. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something from my vlog and I hope you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support this channel for me to vlog and keep updated on more updates about Maxim.